Today, we're going to talk about a lazy day. Do you like lazy days? I love them. It's the perfect time to relax, do nothing, and enjoy life. So, let's start. I wake up late. It's already 10 a.m. Wow, that's really late, right? But guess what? I'm so happy. I don't have to hurry. No work, no school, just me and my bed. I slowly get out of bed. I wish I could stay in bed all day. But no, I have to get up. I walk to the kitchen. I'm so hungry. What should I eat? Maybe some cereal. But wait, do I even have milk? I open the fridge and, oh no, it's empty. No milk. It's okay. I can eat something else. Maybe some toast. I put bread in the toaster. While waiting, I sit on the couch. I stare at the TV for a while. There's nothing interesting. I watch a cat trying to catch its tail. It's hilarious. I can't stop laughing. The toast pops up. Perfect. I take it out and put butter on it. Yum! I eat my toast slowly. It tastes so good. After breakfast, I decide to take a nap. I'm still tired. I lie down on the couch and close my eyes. I fall asleep quickly. A few hours later, I wake up. It's already 2 p.m. I slept for a long time. but it feels great. I decide to go outside for a walk. I need some fresh air. I put on my shoes and go out. The weather is perfect. The sun is shining, but it's not too hot. I walk slowly. I see a few people jogging. I watch the people around me. Everyone looks so busy. But not me. I'm enjoying my lazy day. Back home, I change into my comfy clothes. I love wearing my pajamas all day. It's only 5 p.m., but I'm so tired. I lie down on the couch and close my eyes. This time, I sleep for just 30 minutes. When I wake up, it's almost 6 p.m. I get up and walk to the kitchen. It's time for dinner. But I don't feel like cooking. I open the fridge and see some leftovers. I heat them up in the microwave. While I'm waiting, I watch a funny video. Dinner is ready. I eat slowly, enjoying every bite. After dinner, I decide to watch a movie. I don't feel like doing anything too serious. I pick a funny movie and start watching. I laugh so much. I look at the time. It's already 9 p.m. I didn't do much, but that's okay. It's important to take days like this. Relaxing is good for your mind and body. Before bed, I think about tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll be more active. But who knows? I laugh to myself. Good night. Thanks for listening to today's episode. See you next time. Vocabulary highlights: lazy, relax, hurry, warm, hungry, cereal, milk, couch, stare, tail, hilarious. laugh, yum, nap, asleep, productive, message, comfy, book, sleepy, leftovers, funny, dinner, movie, comedy, silly, active,